Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of international economics and discussing the BRICS alliance and its potential impact on the US dollar monopoly. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Before we delve into the impact, let's first understand what BRICS is. BRICS is an acronym that stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These countries are known as emerging economies with significant economic potential. BRICS was initially formed in 2009 to promote economic cooperation, trade, and investments amongst its member nations. One of the critical aspects of BRICS is that it represents around 40% of the world's population and about 25% of the global GDP. This combination of economic power and population size has the potential to shape the global economic landscape. Now, let's explore how BRICS could impact the US dollar monopoly. For decades, the US dollar has been the dominant global reserve currency. It is used for international transactions, central bank reserves, and as a benchmark for global trade. This status gives the United States significant advantages in terms of financing its debt, low borrowing costs, and overall economic influence. Additionally, BRICS countries have been actively promoting bilateral trade in their local currencies, bypassing the need for US dollars in transactions. This trend has gained momentum, especially with the China-Russia currency swap agreement and increased trade settlements in local currencies. However, the rise of BRICS presents a potential challenge to this US dollar monopoly. As these emerging economies continue to grow and strengthen their economic ties, they have been exploring alternatives to the US dollar for their international transactions. One notable development is the establishment of the new Development Bank by BRICS countries. The NDB aims to provide funding for infrastructure and sustainable development projects, reducing dependency on traditional financial institutions like the World Bank and IMF. As more BRICS nations reduce their reliance on the US dollar, it could lead to a gradual decline in the dollar's dominance in global trade and finance. This shift would have significant implications for the United States, affecting its ability to finance its deficits and maintain favorable borrowing conditions. However, it is important to note that completely replacing the US dollar as the global reserve currency is a complex and long-term process. The US dollar status is deeply ingrained in the global financial system, and any substantial change would require widespread cooperation and a viable alternative currency or system. In conclusion, the BRICS alliance, with its economic potential and growing influence, possesses a potential challenge to the US dollar monopoly. While it is unlikely to happen overnight, the gradual shift towards alternative currencies and financial institutions could reduce the dollar's dominance in the long run. And that wraps up today's video on